What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
My gardening family, welcome and welcome back to another gardening with Stacey. I am so happy to see you all. I know you're happy to see me too. So, oh, by the way, I just want to say a big thank you to all of you for reaching out, checking in, considering, praying, all of that, right? I appreciate you all. I love and appreciate you. All right? Yeah. My faithfulers, my channel members, my potential subscribers, yeah, welcome on board. So, I came outside to assess my garden because I need to get some things going. I need to get some work done. And believe you me, I say, no, sir. I had was to go for my camera and I say I'm going to take you around and really show you what is happening because I have so much to do. I may show you much of what I'll be doing. Well, I'm going to try my best to do that. So you may get videos back to back. Don't mind me, all right? I just want to show you what's up and how I'm going to get rid of some of my problems that I'm having. Mark you, the garden has been loving the rain, absolutely loving the rain. Because of the rain, we are having so much mosquitoes right now, right? And so my garden was abandoned for maybe over a week or so, and it don't look good at all. Well, in some sense, because even though a lot is going on, it's a hot mess and all of that, but at the same time, it is doing very well. So I am forever grateful. So all of the bad in my eyes, all of the goods cover all of that. I I don't even know where to start. It's like my head spinning. Like I look there and I look there and like, whoo, where to start? But guess what? I'm going to show you what's up and get with and get with it. Oh, oh, oh. Anyway, so anyways, let's get to it. I'm seeing too much. My head is just spinning. A lot is going on. All right, so. let's let me show you what's up. So if you notice right here, I don't even have space to walk. Look right here. Look at all the mess. And I have cucumbers inside here growing nicely. Like I soon start getting cucumbers on there. And I have some sorrel. Yes, you realize you can't even see anything whatsoever. I remember around here is always clear, but because of the manure, if you see, let me see if I can go over here. So you see my corns over here? Look at the distress they are under. I need to sort out things properly right here. So I have one I'm a planting growing right there. Nothing else. Well, I mean, none other growing. My purple corns right here, they're in distress. Look at this one. This one tossing already. And I'm sure it's not ready to tussle. Like so much going on. I can't even walk here, so they sweet potato get away from me. I'm going to clean up this place like crazy. I'm most likely going to get rid of the sweet potato from around here. The dragon fruits, they didn't make it. I wasn't expecting them to. This thing here tumbling over when we had the breeze and the rain with my grapevine. I have like so much to do. I need to take out these two banana sucker from here. I need to get some harvest in as well. Look at my cabbages. I literally just leave everything in there, guys. My leggy broccoli is over there, not looking bad at all. These cabbages, oh Lord. I'm going to do some serious work, man. Some serious work. Look around here, that pumpkin from the bucket. Running and look at my canes. Oh Lord, they look like they don't belong. My. A few carrots coming up inside here. No man, these eating down. I need to sort out so many things. I need to have this um marigold rectified. Currants doing good. This banana going, oh, it gone. It's gone. Cut this callaloo, you remember? This callaloo in this bucket that I said I would get rid of. Look at it. I'm going to take out the seeds from here. I'm going to eat the rest because you can see that they are tender. Look at the stink bugs. The peppers. Look at my grapefruit. That my grapevine. It needs to be sorted so much. Oh Lord. And my, what's this called again? Suyulang cucumber. The trellis needs to fix. The trellis not doing good at all. And a whole lot of aphids on here. I need to wash down the plants. Look at this right here. And worms too on there. I need to do a little harvest. My yellow pepper. This banana looks so good. This banana doing good too, you know. I just need to prune it back a bit right here. Got my pumpkin right here. I don't think there's any other. I'm not seeing any other right now. And some sweet pepper to get right here. I'm going to cut back these sweet pepper plants. I soon plant some. I think I might take these out and plant some other seedlings inside there. Ooh, look at this. This is being dealt with. Oh, look at that. This is a pak choy. Look at the cabbage over here. Look at the culprits. This is a volunteer callaloo. I didn't put this here at all. I soon have string beans. Ugh, not little pepper there, so this tomato not looking bad. And my onions, they're not looking bad. A lot of grass in there with onions. I'm going to sort. Oh Lord, I need to sort these out. Look here. Look at here, guys. I'm going to wash them down and kill what to kill. Look there. Got my beetroots. So my grapevine is in distress. And ooh, look here. And my lemon plant. I have so much to get done. But I still see my little grapes inside here. See them here? Yeah. Maybe there's more now. I don't know. So yeah, it's a hot mess right now. And my June plums, they're coming on. And all right, let me take you over here. Look at these. I need to harvest these. I can get so much from it. These spinaches can get so much. My zinnias, everything just all over. Look at here. This baby is carrying on, I'm telling you. Look here. To get this rectified. What is this? Mildew. I need to get some of these leaves and let them grow back fresh. Then to wash down these. Look here. Talk about pestilence. I have to get to it, you know. Today, God's willing. I have to get to it. Because things not looking good. Cut my zinnias, the rain beat them down. I'm going to have to strip and left the little greens that are there to let it spring up back. The same thing happening over here with this spinach, Malabar spinach. Come my pepper plant. I have so much work to do. My cherry tree seem like it's going to give me cherry this time around. I don't know. These look like they're going to hold. Ooh! Oh, it is there. See a cherry here. Yay! See a little cherry right here, so it reached far. It's a long while I haven't had a cherry on this. Ooh! See another one here. And they reach so far. So maybe these going to stick around this time. There's a lot of blossoms on there. A whole lot. A whole lot of blossoms. So it looks like I'm finally going to get some cherries off this plant. What is going on? Why this looks so? My pear tomato. We have a lot of work to do together. Look at these callaloo, they just grow up so. Oops. I have those harvests to get done. This red callaloo. Where's the other one? It disappear. See, it disappear. Dry down. This one pushing out root and dying at the same time. So I'm going to root up this and plant it deeper. My zinnias. Oh, I passed a lot of zinnias. I didn't say anything. I've been using from this time some of my cabbages, no? So I'm going to have to get some other seedlings in. The pestilence. Look at here. Look at my cantaloupe. This one not going to reach anywhere. I'm going to wash down these. And I'm having cucumbers right here. I see a few on here. I'm going to wash down these plants, sort them out. I'm getting peppers on here, basil. I need to sort out here, man. Got my, ooh, there's a cucumber on here. I haven't trellised these. Oh, there's another one there. And there's another one in here. I haven't trellised these as yet. So I'm going to do that today, God's willing. I'm pretty sure probably there's more cucumbers. Ow! So I am going to wash off these babies and I'm going to trellis them up. I have some tomatoes coming and pepper, sweet pepper. I need to harvest. Oh, look at this one. Oh Lord, I didn't see it enough. I would have let it go to waste, man. And it was a nice size, look at it. Ugh, it was a nice size. I would have let it go to waste. So I'm going to do a bit of a harvest as well. So this one right here, it's about to go as well. So when I come out back with my stuff to get things sorted, yeah, I'm going to harvest that. This was a nice size sweet pepper, bell pepper. Oh Lord, it's because of the whole heap of bush, man. I didn't see it. What's going on with this cucumber? Something eating it, not cucumber, tomato. This is a volunteer pepper. Alright, not to worry. I'm going to sort out my garden. I'm going to do as much as I can. You remember the little banana sucker that was coming up in this bucket? Is it this, I'm going to put it in the ground around there. Is it this? And see another little one right here, so pulling through. You see how long I leave this? Till it gets so big. So when the yard was cutting some time ago, we had an accident with this banana. Remember the banana plant inside here? It got cut off accidentally. And so it pushed out two suckers since. See? This one right here and this little one right here. two suckers, but I'm going to have to take them out eventually because I need to center them. And I want to carry on my legacy of banana in bucket. Um, this pepper tree loaded. This look at my pomegranates, hunger nuts. These fell off. These weren't like these. This is right the ripe inside there. So a lot of the leaves they beat off. If you notice, all of these are pomegranate leaves and some there. The rain beat down this plant. I'm getting back new leaves right there. The rain beat down the these zinnias. So I'm going to strip them and let them spring up back. I have some pink callaloo right here so to get, and some cayenne peppers. Whew. Oh, finally some of my parsley sprouting. You know how long I plant the seeds inside there? Look at this time container. I sort of bush inside there. So sort it out. I need to sort out my garden, man. I can't leave my garden so. Can't have my garden like this, man. No, sir. Did I show you these tomatoes? I need to sort them out too and stake them or something. My gardening family, rain o'clock. It is going to rain. It's a go rain. Rain a go fall. Breeze a blow. Chicken batty. What to do? Alright guys, so I don't want to damage nothing. No. I don't want to damage a thing. Alright, so let me slow down a bit. Oh Lord. I forgot to put on some more repellent. I'm going to put it on. So I'm quickly, you can hear the rain loading. So I said, let me quickly stake these cucumbers. This should have done a long time ago. But, oh, better late than never. It's straight. Look straight, you know. Let me see what's going on here. What's going on? Okay, this one can come out some more. Yeah. This one can come back a little. Like so. That's better. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna. Guys, let me get the repellent and come back. This one fall out. Mosquito biting me up. Let me just quickly get it. Come, don't give me no talking. Ow! Right now. Come in, guys. Let me get the repellent. Alrighty now, it's cleaning up. Because the rain a come. Alright. Alright, let's see how this work for me. Lord of Jesus. Alright, so I realized this wasn't straight at all. Not straight at all, at all, at all. Why is we not in a hurry now? This happening. That look better. I'm come round. I don't want to. Yeah, man, that look better. Oh, Lord. You know what I need to do? I need to put. Ah! Chop. I need to put them on first. You can see that these are cucumber cages that I am using. Not cucumber cages. Tomato cages that I'm using for my cucumber trellis. Yeah. So tomato cages for cucumber trellis. Alright. Once bitten, twice shy. Like so. Alright, you need to compress a little. How are you all doing, my gardening family? I hope you are well and in the best of health and getting some rain like myself in your gardens. The best fertilizer yet for your plants. Just pushing these a little forward. Alrighty. I'm getting there. Just another one inside here. Now, right here, so yeah. Right here, so. Alright. Yeah. That's alright, yeah. And the rain coming down. It is coming. The breeze is so nice and gentle. Alright. Yeah. Looks good, don't it? You like it? I like it too. Alright. Let me come around and see what it looks like. Alright, I just want to straighten up a little bit. Just a little. Alright. Can work with. I'm pretty sure if I see anything after this that needs fixing, I will. But right now, the aim, the goal, the dream, the aspiration is to get this baby trellising. These babies, rather. Yeah, because I have one in each of these buckets. Yeah. Alright. That for that. That is it for that one. You got it, Stacey. Ooh! I hear a little pop. Come, no bother pop. Don't bother to pop. There's a little fracture. But usually, they will heal themselves, the vines. So let's hope that's the case right here. Alright. This one, where you at, baby? Come to mama. Uh-oh. My cucumbers, I am so sorry for treating you this way. It wasn't intentional. Guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, And thank you all so much in advance. Oh, trying to secure these cucumbers a bit that are already on there. So the plan was to wash off these, but I'm thinking, seeing that the rain is coming, what I should do. Should I still wash them off to ensure that they are clean? Alright, I'm going to leave it. Oh, hopefully the rain wash them off for me properly. Well, if the rain doesn't, I will wash them off in the morning. Because sometimes, even though it is overcast and you hear the thunders and all of that, sometimes in my neck of the woods, it still don't end up raining. Or I may get a little dew instead of a heavy downpour. Taking my time, you know, man. I'm taking my time, y'all. Woo! Lightning! Guys, you saw that lightning? Lightning and thunder. Alright. Come on. Uh-oh. I fracture it right here, say no? I fracture it right here. Hopefully it repairs itself. I feel the rain now. The dew is coming on. The rain falling on my head. Rain will come down. Alright, so I hope they will thank themselves. With these tendrils and stay on the trellis. I can't afford to get wet in the rain, you know. I don't want to get sick. So I'm going to leave them like this for now. Tomorrow, God's willing, I'll finish up what I need to get done. Yeah. I'll catch you tomorrow, God's willing. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.